So I just recently got the Glossier brow products, and that includes the Boy Brow and the Brow Flick. So I'm really excited to try these out together. I've already used the Boy Brow a couple times, and I love it on its own when like I have no makeup on or anything. But today I'm gonna try it with the Brow Flick because I heard that these two products go really good together. So I'm just gonna start off by like brushing my brow hairs up so I can kind of get an idea of like where I need to fill in. Yeah, let me just go into this brow first. Okay, so far so good, I guess. Okay, so more of what I'm noticing is that it's not like mimicking brow hairs, but it definitely doesn't look like I'm like filling it in. I don't know, it's just like really easy to just get my natural shape. I'm trying to be like really light with it as well so that it looks as natural as possible, but I really like that shape that I just gave myself. One thing I do notice, like when I do my eyebrows with the pencil, is that when I try to like I just did when I filled in the top part, you can tell that I used a pencil, but with this, it just looks like my natural brow shape, and it's kind of crazy because it's like it's super natural. It's not even dark, and I got it in the shade brown just because I didn't want to get the black color because I just feel like they only have 3 colors, which sort of threw me off. Yeah, oh my god, I really like that. It's like you can't even tell that I filled it in. It just looks so natural. So I'm gonna go into this brow now. I think what's amazing me the most is that when I fill in the top part and I try to mimic the brow hairs like here at the top, for me, like with a pencil, that's like the hardest part to make, like give the illusion that that part is like really naturally filled in. So with this, it really does look natural. I think I'm just gonna stop there just because, like I said, I like them to look as natural as possible. But now I'm gonna go in with the Boy Brow. And this one as well only comes in 3 colors, so I also got the brown color in this one. So yeah, that's with the Boy Brow applied on top. And I really like it. It looks really nice. It gives you that nice bushy eyebrow look. But yeah, honest review, I love it. These will definitely be replacing the brow products that I already use. So yeah, thank you so much for watching. I hope this was informative. I hope this sort of like helped you make a decision on whether or not you would even try this. So yeah.